Hello, and welcome to Mikey's Metaphysical Marvels. I'd just like to begin by saying that today I woke up around 7:30 a.m. without an alarm, out of my own cognizance. And when I was in high school, I told myself that I was never ever going to wake up to an alarm ever again. And that's exactly what happened, because I am the law! Hello, and welcome to What I Eat in a Day. For breakfast, oops, wrong hole. You don't want to do that with a woman. For breakfast, I am broiling my ribeye. There she is, the breakfast of champions. Has everything I need to get me through the day. Perfect thing to eat at 8:30 in the morning. Medium rare. My life is incredible. I'll see you at lunchtime. Now for my morning walk through paradise. As you all know, I live in Middle Earth. You can tell by my accent. This is it. Isn't she beautiful? A gem of a day we have. A gem. With the outrageous price of beef lately, I've thrown some eggs back into the mix. It's nice to have a $3 meal every once in a while instead of a $15 or $20 meal. I get them from the local farms in the area. West Hampshire, Australia, New Zealand, England. Yeah. They're pretty good. Fry it up. Fry it up. Fry it up. Fry it up. Tell me how do you get to Pete for Pizza George? Pete for Pizza George. Tell me how do you get to Pete for Pizza George? Pete for Pizza George. Yeah, pack it up. Pack it up. Come on, pack it up. Pack it up. Fry it up. Fry it up. Yes, I've been making Baltimore club hits since the 90s. No, it's not a different day. I shaved my face this morning. For some reason, I never eat eggs for breakfast. Ever. Lunch, dinner. Just doesn't seem like a proper breakfast food. You need a hearty food for breakfast. Like a ribeye. Or a New York strip. That's a little foreshadowing right there. So I'm showing you what I'm eating all day, but don't forget, drink your water. Water is all we drink here, like a dog. This is a pretty average day of eating for me. Sometimes I'll substitute the egg meal with maybe chicken or pork, seafood, some crab cakes, some meatballs, just a variety of meats, anything meat. Meat is good, eat your meat. Raw oysters, mussels, whelk I recently tried, clams, lamb, a pound of steamed shrimp, shrimp salad, shrimp on the barbie, shrimp and potatoes. No potatoes. I need to be careful. I almost talked to somebody at the pool in my alter ego voice. And what do we have behind curtain number 3? For dinner, we will be having a juicy, fatty New York strip steak. Let's give one more flip over there. Left-handed flip. Oh, I did it. Very nice. This will be yummy, scrumptious, delicious. Dinner is served. So I still eat 3 meals like a normal person, but that's probably the only normal thing about me. I don't do any desserts, no snacks, because I eat food that's filling. Only on a rare occasion does a snack come into my life, and I might eat her for dessert. Ooh, that's very rare. It might even need a little more cooking time. But that is good. No, that's about Blu-ray. Just fine. I hope you've enjoyed this program on the BBC. I'm going to make you watch me eat this entire steak. Red as blood. That is tasty. I was rushing so I could do the video. Could have given it a little more time. Never fear, a carnivore is here. I do this because it makes me feel good. It gives me solid energy all day long. I never have any food comas. I never have any problems. All of my medical problems went away. I watch my waistline shrink like magic. I can see my ribs. It's lovely. I'll just call this steak sashimi. It happens. So I hope you all have a wonderful day and align with nature. Like a wave in the ocean. That's what you are. And if you can align, you will have only good things come into your life. Because the universe wants you to be aligned. And I don't have anything else smart to say. Farewell. Hello, and welcome to Mikey's Minute